Nyanko Monsieur Monsemu, Doctor Ya was said to me as well for your shame, Monsieur Monsemu. Now, what a cocobonse ma Cape Coast to see upon University of Cape Coast, sad distance education now where you know when you go home. When you go one of the accessible yen such a one yen such a what I say, whatever, no they bought one supper, he said, oh, my gun, and near Bibrema, minding more money university, where papa, or they sent me to the Rabbi, when I could share mom, a war a yen Nyarkrom, not war child, memo, a BA Skunibia.
Swafo shadi suahun semso Dr. Ya osei educhum ahye mpanyinfo a wonom eda University of Cape Coast ano se wonom distance education program no wonye sesanye ewo mu ansa no abo won ho abodini se wonom ene yesuapon a wodanso ewo Ghana ene West Africa nyina wode sanse mi to dwa abra a woni mpanyinfo a wo school mu ho nananom ahemfo ene manfo wonom ewo Agona Nyarkrom ekoka bo mu a wokobie Resource and Training Center for Frokra University of Cape Coast SCA ewo Agona Nyarkrom.
Let us strengthen the rigor of our distance education programs. This is a beautiful facility, and if you're going to offer any courses here beyond using this facility as a training center, make sure you improve the quality of teaching and learning so that when they enter our classrooms, they also do their best for us.
Okofu okatachie Nyarkrom eku ya otosudu eye wohene poporo ewo Agona Nyarkrom traditional area ono nso kiremu a sedi asoye hwade suahun semso wo manmu ema nani nko schools ahodo a aye dada na wonsiesie ewo manmu no eyade bi a ha adwene pa wofasa akwanya no so ede atesrede to so afo hwade suahun semso animu se wommoa Agona Nyarkrom sedi ebe ya 18 unit classroom block bi a wosie ama Agona Nyarkrom senior high school no wobetumi esiewie.
If you walk in secondary school, Nyaksek, I will fully Yankasa, Ya bombarding Yesi, 18 block classroom, 18. Sayans there, Unas Kwamara, coming with your pan, Kamakasa, Yankona for any koshe, na for say your yonam whip Piera, go to the Aboy and Wohono, who school owner, Waboyan.
Wankasa no akire na Professor Johnson Nyakobu Ampon a woye Vice Chancellor ewo UCC so Edison Semi etoaso.
Universities all over the world are working assiduously to produce useful global citizens. As Vice Chancellor, my vision is to reposition the University of Cape Coast as a global hub of creative thinkers offering demand-driven programs integrated with practical entrepreneurial courses and actively translating the products of its innovative research for sustainable development.